If you haven't heard yet, next to me, this bad boy King happens to be the fastest and most capable advanced Corvette ever. Pretty much completing the C7 generation, but making it more track capable. First and foremost, we leverage knowledge from our Corvette racing program to bring you not only a stunning exterior, but also an aerodynamically optimized and functional design. That's why it actually looks like it's in motion when it's just sitting still. Airflow is going over, around, and through the ZR1. And if it looks like carbon fiber, it is carbon fiber. We're giving you an extensive use of pure carbon components all throughout on the body. But not just the threading that meets the eye, which is all the body effects that you see, for example, the rockers, front splitter, the spoiler, but also on the interior, the entire instrument panel, the entire steering wheel, the entire hood, and the entire roof, which this one doesn't have. Because we thought you should be able to see for the first time ever, we're offering to you a convertible option. It features a cloth top that'll go up or down, going as fast as 30 miles an hour with no manual actions involved whatsoever. Now on that coupe, it's carbon fiber, 16 pounds, easy to remove and place in the trunk, so you get best of both worlds. Either way though, underneath this pure carbon halo, you're going to find the same exact LT5 engine for both. Who wants to see it up close? No one wants to see the engine up close? Alright, girlfriend, well you're in luck. We brought you the displacement. It's sitting right over there. It's a 6.2 V8 small block, which is accompanied with a 2.6-liter supercharger. I'll pop the hood anyway so you can see what it looks like. If you know your numbers, that sits 52% larger currently from the Z06. So as a result, 755 horsepower with 715 pound-feet of torque. See, I like to be interactive in my presentations. Who wants to help me out? 0 to 60. Shout it out.
3.
Yes, you can howl for it, absolutely. Less than 3 seconds, 2.85 seconds. How about top speed? Who wants to help me with that?
225.
What do you think it is? I'm calling you out.
225.
Close, 212 miles per hour. And now we're going to launch an all-new technology you demanded. Here we go, delivering dual fuel injection system. And for the first time ever, 2 transmission options. This one here happens to be a 7-speed manual with active rev match for you purists. And for everyone else, 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Either way though, perfect 50-50 weight distribution. You got 19s in the front, 20s out back, cross-drilled carbon ceramic rotors. These are massive. They come standard along with magnetic ride control. However, this is a race car. So if you're taking it to the track and using it for the car it's meant to be, you're going to opt into the coupe because there's no roller bars here. And they're going to make sure you get performance data recorder. I love your camera. Why do we have cameras? To take photos, save the memories. Well, that's why we're going to give you a built-in house performance data recorder that sits right here in the windshield, recording everything that you do. And we're going to make sure you do everything flawlessly. Hit those apexes right on point. And that's why you're going to have the best suspension system, tweaked out magnetic ride control. And if you walked up and thought, why would they reuse tires? Well, I'd like to correct you. They're brand new. They're meant to be this bald and sticky. They're the Cop 2s from Michelin Pilot. And then that massive rear wing, it's not just for looks, it serves a purpose. It pushes down a lot of downforce. Who here knows how many pounds of downforce? Or guess? Very close. 950 pounds of downforce, absolutely. So now we know you have all the tools and technologies to do a great job on that track, and now you're going to make sure all of us know, and you're going to upload it to social media using this ZR1 as a rolling Wi-Fi hotspot. Ladies and gentlemen, here at Chevrolet with the bow tie, truly you compromise nothing. We think you should have the impossible possible, especially with our performance cars. You're going to take on the world's very best elite supercars, and the best part is you're only going to pay a fraction of the price. I said elite supercars. I would like for you to help me out. Spread some of those names out. What brands does that make you think about? Ferrari, absolutely. Fun fact, they asked to borrow magnetic ride control from us, and we said, sure, why not? What else?
Tesla.
Tesla, I mean, that's all electric. You do definitely get instantaneous torque, but this is a track car. But let's say, besides the Ferraris, the Lamborghinis, the Bugattis, the McLarens, that's $300,000 and higher. The one next to me starts at $120,000. Sits right here, nicely loaded at about $145,000. However, if you don't necessarily have a need for speed for 755 horsepower, you're in luck. The Corvette Stingray starts at $56,000 with 460 horsepower. And then you've got the supercharged Z06 with 650 horsepower. The Grand Sport right in between. Basically, we're going to accommodate everybody's level of need for speed. I'm sure I triggered a few questions, but that's what I'm here for. My name is Sahar. I'd love to sit down, talk to you, talk shop, send you further information as well, or help in answering any questions you may have. Maybe even take some feedback. We love to listen to see what you would like. That's why you're seeing right now we're making so much noise in the automotive industry. Who wants to now sit in the fastest production car, GM on record? Just you? Well, you're in luck. It's sitting right over there. That ZR1 Wannalee is currently our track record holder, which finished Nürburgring in 7 minutes and 16 seconds, because this one yet has not made it to the track. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. On behalf of our performance team, thank you for being a part of our global success. Welcome to Chevrolet, and welcome to your journey of finding new roads.